This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Plecher. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath bungalow is situated on Bloomington's northwest side. This charming home features vaulted ceiling, 3 skylights, original hardwood floors, covered front entry, laundry/mud room with space for a desk, so could be used as an office, and off-street parking, including an open garage structure with storage room in back. New AC 2021, roof in 2012. This property is conveniently located 1 mile from downtown and less than a mile to IU Football Stadium and Assembly Hall. Call for a private showing today. For more information, review the details below.